Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Abdus Salam and my dear viewers, you are watching my videos regularly, especially the blogging which I have made, especially today is in a rural setting. I mean that is the native village of Abdus Salam. Here I have come here to my village, and it is the place for my sister and my nephew Naushadur Rahman has arranged an Ifter Mahfil, especially for the social people here. We live in a society here, and it is Naushad. Naushad is arranging this arrangement especially for the people who are working to make the Iftar Mahfil's foodstuffs. It is called Morog Polao in the village area. It is called Morog Polao in the village area. So it is really fantastic to eat. It has a special taste. When I was a school student, I lived here for long years, and I enjoyed this kind of Morog Polao regularly. And today, my nephew Naushadur Rahman has invited me to attend this ceremony. Especially all of my brothers and sisters, they have come here, and Naushad and here our relatives, and it is the place of our family. It is the house of my sister, and all the things are very nice. The setting is completely in a garden, in a village garden. So everything looks very nice and fantastic. And the people who are working here, they are also our relatives. They are also our relatives. They are working hard for making the foods, especially for the people who have kept roja for the days, and they are waiting for the iftar time. And these people are working and making the Morog Polao, and it will be too much special and fantastic for all kind of people. All the people, they are my relatives, and they are working hard here. Actually, the village people are very much interested to enjoy such kind of activities, and they like it very much. They like it very much. And I have come here after long times, and now I am enjoying. So, my dear viewers, follow this video from the beginning to end and enjoy it. Assalamu alaikum.